Good evening all. Meeting 2264 of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown is called to order. I hand over the meeting to the President, Sanjay Bhatia. Over to you, Sanjay.
Good evening, special welcome to our guest speaker for this evening, Sandeep Arun.
इसको म्यूट कर दो आप म्यूट कर दो
Please mute all. Please mute all.
Members, as you are aware, January was vocational month of vocational service, and for this our session we also have awards persons who have performed during during the COVID times. We have gone through times of despair, and hopefully we are now entering times of hope. And let the awardees be a source of encouragement, inspiration to us to, have a never say die attitude. And to begin the award ceremony, I would like to invite Pastor R.K. Luther to give a brief about the awards, and followed by the award ceremony. We have the awardees present here at Danbro this evening.
Good evening all. Guest speaker of this evening, Mr. Sandeep Bogra, President Sanjay Bhatia, Secretary Suchi Thakur, fellow Rotarians. Good evening. Before giving you the background of our vocational awards program, I would like to take the liberty to give you the background about the mother of this program, which is vocational training. As you are all aware, Rotary is doing lots of projects for the social community to help the underprivileged class to uplift their standard of living. For this, Rotary has started many years ago vocational training programs in collaboration with local technical training centers of this area. Your club has signed an MOU for the technical collaboration with Chandigarh College of Engineering and Technology, Diploma Wing, in the year 2015 under the presidency of Mrs. Anand Dewan. And
Please
as
mute others. Please mute.
is giving training in various.
What are you saying to us, sir?
Please mute others. We can't hear.
Mute. They can't hear.
किसको अनम्यूट करना है या तो उसको बंद करना पड़ेगा ओके देन बाकियों को अनम्यूट कर दो अच्छा अब आप देखो
Can you hear me now?
There's a lot of noise. Lot of noise.
We can hear we can hear the laughter.
The club is giving training in various programs in the afternoon after their school timing to boys and girls of 10 plus 2 class students belonging to the underprivileged of local government schools. Besides these programs, following the theme Look Beyond Yourself of past Rotary International Director, Rotarian R.K. Kapuji, to appreciate and recognize the duties being performed by class 4 employees of lower strata of our society, started the vocational award scheme. Under this scheme, we give certificates and cash awards of rupees 3,000 each to workers from different sectors of economy who have performed duties, excellent duties beyond the call of the duty. Today, our club has selected 5 such candidates who will be honored with the certificates and awards. Now I call upon the vocational director, Mrs. Anupam Jain, to come forward and announce about these awards your club is giving today. Over to the day. Anupam Jain. Anupam Jain.
ठीक है मैं आपको स्पॉटलाइट कर कौन सा उन्होंने उल्टा कर दिया मैं सीधा कर दूं अच्छा नहीं नहीं ये करना होता है ना रिवर्स बेटा मैं ही आ रही हूँ संजय सर आपके वाले को कर दूं
किसी को भी
बट ये तो इधर दिख रहा है ना उधर दिखाना है ना आप लोग अपने आप को दिखा रहे हो स्विच कैमरा अब हो गया ठीक ये ले करो अब ठीक है लास्ट तरीके इसको आप सही Good evening. Greetings to all fellow Rotarians. We are pleased to announce that our club celebrates class 4th government employees with their contribution beyond the call of duty. This year, due to COVID pandemic, Department of Health, Police, Administration, Municipal Corporation have put in tireless efforts despite lockdown. We would like to honor them as brave COVID warriors with vocational service awards today. The event is organized every year and the recipients are honored with a certificate and cash award of ₹3,000. Since we are not meeting physically, we are having this event on Zoom with the awardees at one point in Bangalore Cafe. Nominations of names as the Mr. Kirat Singh Saini, he is a pharmacist who works in PGI Chandigarh and handles HIV positive patients. His name has been strongly recommended for the vocational award by Rotarian past president Vinita ji. This is his cash award and this is his certificate.
Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Thank you very much.
Calling upon next is Preeti Divakar. Preeti Divakar is the data entry operator working in Civil Hospital Panchkula for last 3 years. She had an active role to play in COVID-19 Facility Act for testing OPD, IPD, reference, deaths, etc. It was a tireless job from morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 7 days a week. She has been active member of quality program of hospital and plays important role in monitoring documentation, indicators, satisfaction survey, etc. Preeti Diwakar is recognized for her speed, accuracy, and dedication in the department and deserves to be appreciated with Rotary Vocational Service Award to encourage her and her colleagues for exemplary performance beyond call of duty. Congratulations.
सर आप आ जाइए।
Next name calling is Manveer. Manveer working as an attendant in Civil Hospital Panchkula for last 10 years is a very dedicated, sincere and hardworking personnel. Despite his limitations due to comorbidity due to diabetes, he has been working with courage in COVID and non-COVID areas during pandemic. He would get the test done for COVID patients in flu, OPD, arrange for admission, transport their samples, provide meals and other assistance as required by patients. He deserves the honor of Rotary Vocational Award for doing beyond the call duty to help patients in need who were admitted without their caretakers during COVID-19 times. Recommended by Dr. Rotarian Rita Carter. Well done, Mandy. This is his cash. Congratulations. Well done. Now I would call upon C. Krishna, Constable Krishna. Constable Krishna is a true corona warrior engaged in spreading awareness about the virus and preventing the spread of same in South and East Chandigarh. Thereafter, he is now involved in active steps towards traffic management in the city. He has also played pivotal role in teams which have solved some murder cases in the city. He is proactively engaged in making Chandigarh a safe city. Congratulations, well done. This is Krishna's award.
अच्छा काम करते रहो वो महाभारत में कितना थे
सर एक बार सामने देखो। एक और
Our last COVID hero is Chandan Mohan. चंदन मोहन ने कोविड के वक्त अपनी जान की परवाह न करते हुए कोविड के मरीजों के घरों से कूड़ा उठाकर अपना कर्तव्य निभाया और सारे शहर में कूड़े को संभाला और भी कई जिम्मेवारियां निभाई। इसके लिए वेरी वेल डन चंदन मोहन जी, you are really an example. Recommended by our MC Mr. Davinder Bhavla. And recommended by myself. Smile for the camera. कैमरा कौन है इसके पास?
आज ये फोटो जरूर छपनी चाहिए।
नहीं, हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं, सारे बॉडीज एक बार बुला लो।
हाँ।
एक बार आप सब आ जाओ।
सब आ जाए जिनको अवार्ड
दो
मिला
लाइन
है।
में एक्चुअली सब वाइट है, तीनों वाइट है।
तो इधर आइए आप।
अच्छी
चले जाओ।
ये बात तो सही है।
नहीं बड़ा होगा।
आप इस फोटो से
मैम एक्चुअली मेरे में रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है सर, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग
ओके।
फोटो खींचोगे प्लीज हमारी
1 मिनट मैम।
पास चल दोनों हो गए। दे देना ना, उधर से।
थैंक यू।
एक आप इस तरफ आइए।
इधर आइए। नहीं मेरा है, आप दोबारा
ठीक है ये?
नहीं क्या
हो गया? आ जाओ।
Be around.
सर मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है, सर का फोन है। सर ये आपकी भी रिकॉर्डिंग।
So I would like to now invite and request Rutraka Taruna for the invocation for this evening.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to recite a prayer so that God may bestow His abundant blessings on us and our fellow brothers and sisters in these tough times. I want to strike it rich with God, the riches of His power, to reach the world with His great love, to serve Him every hour. I want to be His messenger, no matter where He sends me, to walk by faith and not by sight, through grace which extends me. I want to be in His control, my own will to surrender, to follow footsteps in the sand, to hear His voice so tender. I want to know His will for me, His purpose in my mission. I want to be the one with Him, to serve without contrition. All of this I long to do. I have such great intention, but will and deeds often don't comply through human apprehensions. Fear of failure, lack of trust. What happens if I fail here? A disappointed God might say, why could you not prevail here? If I cannot achieve His goals and find His will to guide me, if I should stumble on the way and think, He's not beside me, if I cause blemish on His name, when I am apprehended, if in my witness I should fail, would my God be offended? I dare not risk to bring Him pain, to hurt or disrespect Him, to idly watch sin take its toll, to have the world reject Him? If I should blunder in my flight, it's still a risk worth taking. A soul might find a lighted path, his sinful life forsaking. Who is to know what lies ahead, what mission God assigns me? Think of the blessings I might miss if fear rules or it blinds me. I'll venture forth, I'll do my best. That's all that is required. I'll follow anywhere He leads. Through faith, I'll be inspired. I can achieve, I will achieve. If God's who's in control here. Perhaps the privilege will be mine to bring another soul here. God, give me strength to do your will. Assist me through your power. And in my pursuits every day, give wisdom for each hour. Thank you.
Thank you, Taruna. I would now invite our AG, Dr. Rita Kadra, to give an introduction to our speaker for this evening.
हेलो आवाज आ Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all. It's something very important I would like to share today.
आवाज संजय के फोन से आ रही है, वो वाला फोन मेरे को दे दो।
तुम्हें आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं अब ठीक है, चलो।
So, the most important thing I would like to share today, it's time to start something new and trust the magic of beginnings. As we start our magical journey of fellowship again with new social norms, we need to retreat and retrospect at the lessons learned from the worst ever pandemic of the century. It has woken us to the fact that old ways of doing things just do not work, and that it doesn't matter how much money you make if everyone around you is hungry and sick, and that our society only works when we think not only of ourselves but of each other, and that we are in gratitude for our lives, for all the good things we have, for all the beautiful experiences, and for all that we can share. So friends, today you all are here for special reason. As a Rotarian, you also have your own Rotary moments, moments of gratitude, opportunities which not only change lives of people you touch, but also your own. Packed in a beautiful wrapping paper with the Rotary gives you an attitude of gratitude. So friends, today I have the honor and privilege to introduce our guest speaker, who is a life and relationship coach, a motivational speaker, and author par excellence. He is a certified coach under Tony Robbins, the finest American life and business strategist, and certified NLP practitioner from American Board and approved counselor from UK. He is also a certified business communication skills expert from Dale Carnegie Institute. Born and brought up in Chandigarh, he lives in Kalka. He is an alumnus of SD College, from where he did his BCom and then chartered accountancy. Later, he did his MBA finance from IMT Ghaziabad. He has over a decade-long experience in consultancy in India and Middle East. His father, and currently he's practicing under the brand Someone Listening. His father and role model is Rotarian Bipin Bogra, Senior Past President of Rotary Club of Pinjore, and he is currently serving as District Chief Sergeant at Arms, RID 3080. His two sisters are married and settled with their families. Ladies and gentlemen, it cannot be mere coincidence that Sandeep in Hindi means a lighted lamp or to be enlightened. People with this name proceed in an organized way towards their goal. By nature, they are very courageous. They always seek independence. They are popular, successful, and very creative. They are career-oriented and future thinkers. But they are very kind, grounded, and genuine. Now, amidst your loud applause and terrific celebrations, I present to you the most eligible bachelor, Rotarian Sandeep Bogra from Rotary Chandigarh City Beautiful, to enlighten you, inspire you, and charge you with his magical eloquence and outstanding deliberations on attitude of gratitude.
Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Great. So once again, good evening, Adab.
Yes, sir.
It's a great evening and a wonderful time to connect with all of you. And I'm happy to find that we finally have a physical meeting. So we are all blessed to connect virtually and in person today, isn't it? Now, as I begin, let me just present you something. Uh, Dear host, if you may allow me to do the screen sharing, please.
Sorry, did you say anything?
Yeah, I would like to do the screen sharing.
I do that.
All right. So, सर्दियों का मौसम है और ये मौसम बड़ा ही awesome है. And especially since yesterday, we've experienced snowfall in Kasauli, Solan, Shimla, and Vernon. In fact, many of our fellow Rotarians have been sharing such wonderful videos of the fresh snowfall happening since yesterday. और इस सर्दी के मौसम में हमें अक्सर मन भी करता है और याद भी आता है एक भुना हुआ छल्ली या एक भुट्टा. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि जब भी आप लोग एक भुट्टा खाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, क्या होता है? एनीबॉडी, व्हाट इज द एक्सपीरियंस? एनीबॉडी कैन अनम्यूट एंड आंसर. शुचि मैम, इफ यू वांट टू से समथिंग.
Appreciate the diversity of nature.
वंडरफुल सर. और क्या होता है जब भी आप छल्ली खाते हैं?
मजा आता है.
हाँ जी,
दांतों में फंस जाता है.
wonderful, wonderful. And in fact, probably a similar experience happens when you are at a restaurant and you have your meals और उसके बाद आप सौंफ enjoy करते हैं, right? वो भी शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दांतों में फंस जाता है. ये तो बात हुई सर्दी के मौसम की, बट अगर हम सोचें कि आने वाला टाइम जो गर्मियों का आने वाला है, and all of us will be very excited to enjoy our favorite mangoes like mine is Alfonso. आम खाते हुए भी अक्सर क्या होता है कि हमारे दांतों में उसका फाइबर फंस जाता है. जब ये सब होता है, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू अगेन आस्क एवरीवन आउट देयर, व्हाट हैपेंस? हमारे दांत में छल्ली फंस गई या सौंफ फंस गई, और मे बी द मैंगो फाइबर गेट्स स्टक इन आवर टीथ. व्हाट हैपेंस?
Try to take it out. That's all.
How do you take it out, or what exactly happens the moment it gets stuck? क्या होता है immediately?
You get sort of itching and sort of a strange feeling.
शुचि मैम ने बड़ा सही आंसर दिया था छल्ली को लेकर. मे बी शी वांट्स टू ऐड टू इट.
Sorry, I can't hear the question.
I said, दांतों में अगर छल्ली फंस जाती है या सौंफ फंस जाती है, तो इमीडिएटली हमारे माउथ में क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन इमीडिएटली आवर बॉडी डज?
Flossing.
Right. And something of this sort, right? I mean, our tongue starts moving and hitting that exact direction, exact pinpointing वो particular दांत जहाँ ये फंसा हुआ है, and our tongue itself, so basically our body mechanism पूरी कोशिश करती है कि बिना किसी टूथपिक के, बिना किसी फ्लॉस के, सबसे पहले हम उस चीज को वहां से निकाल पाए, खदेड़ पाए. करेक्ट? आई एम श्योर डॉक्टर कालरा, हु इज द फाइनेस्ट डेंटिस्ट आउट हियर, विल एग्री टू इट. नाउ, it is not just a reflex action or a body mechanism. कहीं ना कहीं हमारा माइंडसेट भी कुछ इसी तरह से ही काम करता है. लाइफ में जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई एडवर्स सिचुएशन होती है, we are in a fix or a trouble, our entire focus is on that particular problem, right? अब मान लीजिए इस आप लोग मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, लेकिन इट इज द ओनली थिंग यू डूइंग। अगर आप इस टाइम अपने फेस को, अपने माउथ को ऑब्जर्व करें, तो आप डॉक्टर दुआ anybody would
There is a lot of echo. Sandeep ji, there is a lot of echo.
yeah, there is a lot of echo. I don't know from where. तो मैं ही बता देता हूँ कि right now when you are not doing anything but simply enjoying your mouth is at rest, your tongue is not doing any action. आपकी जबान इस टाइम कोई हरकत नहीं कर रही है. It is not searching for anything.
Oh, Sandeep ji, sorry, we can't hear. There is a lot of echo.
Yeah, Shruti ma'am, if you can address this, there is a lot of disturbance.
Yes, now it's okay.
Perfect. All right. So what I was saying is कि right now जब आप इस सेशन को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, you are not probably eating anything, so your tongue is at rest. आपकी जबान कोई ऐसी हरकत नहीं कर रही है जो आइडली तब करती है जब आपके दांत में कुछ फंस जाता है. So why not such an attitude, such a thought process, ऐसी एक सोच लाइफ में भी होनी चाहिए. जब आपकी लाइफ में सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, क्यों ना हम उन अच्छी चीजों को ऑब्जर्व करें, एक्सपीरियंस करें, अप्रिशिएट करें. I understand that problems are a part of life, and when there is a problem, we tend to focus on that. But the challenge is we focus too much on the problem and blow it out of proportion. So ideally, what I suggest we should do in such a situation when our mind is boggled and stuck with so many challenges, we should focus on the good things in life. Because ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारी लाइफ में सब कुछ ही chaotic है. It's never like that. God has given every one of us an equal share of good and adverse things in life. So why not focus on the good even when we are in a challenging situation? Because problems will come and go, and we need to definitely take care of the problem solving mechanism. However, the most important thing is the gratitude of attitude. And as we started this meeting today with a wonderful thing happening, we felicitated the honorary people in our society who've gone beyond themselves to serve us, and we felicitated them, we congratulated them and appreciated them. And that is what brings us to this attitude of gratitude. Because attitude is everything in life. आपकी लाइफ में क्या सोच है, क्या नजरिया है, किस तरह से आप चीजों को देखते हैं, परखते हैं, उनकी तरफ आपका क्या एक्शन और डायरेक्शन रहता है, that is what decides success and failure. And the best thing is the gratitude is the best of all attitudes in our life, because it really helps us in so many ways, which we will discuss going on. Now, how does this gratitude of attitude helps us? Number one, it gives you a positive mindset, which further helps you to imbibe and attract positive vibes from everyone around us. जब हम खुश होंगे, हमारी सोच एक सकारात्मक होगी, तो उसी तरह की हम पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अपने चारों ओर अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. एंड एज दे से like attracts like, so we will be in a position to develop that kind of company which further adds to our happiness. So we will, in a nutshell, experience a positive life. Unfortunately, during the year of 2020, the pandemic, the COVID times, we were all together in a different mindset. I know it was a chaotic situation. The entire world knows it. All of us had our fair share of problems. We had our bitter challenges to face. कई लोगों के businesses shut down थे, Many were not able to work. Maybe they were doing a remote work from home, but everything was limited. कई लोगों तक खाना नहीं पहुंच रहा था. Some people had challenges in getting the medical needs met, and so on and so forth. However, rather than focusing on what good opportunities this COVID times brought to us, everybody was focusing more or less on the rising number of cases in the world. एक ये ऐसा हो गया था that number one, we wanted to know कि आज कहाँ पे कितने cases बढ़े, कितने recover हुए, and the problem didn't end there. We also ensured that we shared this number with everyone. हुआ क्या? The people were so much engrossed in watching news all the time that they were so disturbed and literally started getting into depression. News देखते थे, परेशान होते थे, complaint करते थे, लेकिन फिर भी news देखते थे. And this ended into a loop which ultimately led to a very difficult situation for many people to manage. In fact, I shared many videos during that time on my YouTube channel addressing such problems and suggesting people how to manage your mindset during COVID times. And this reminds me of another challenge many people face in their life, which is not really appreciating what they have achieved. So, मेरा एक दोस्त है, we both started studying together in college times. That is where we met for the first time in life. And he was good in studies. However, there was a problem. The problem was that he was always too much disturbed in life to focus on what good was happening, or no matter how little, but he was progressing. So, जैसे तैसे उसने college complete किया, and then he started with his CA studies. Now, few of you might be aware that in CA we have 5 number of attempts available for each level. आप एक बार clear नहीं कर पाए, कोई बात नहीं, आप दूसरी बार clear कर सकते हैं. And unfortunately, this friend of mine struggled at every stage of life, and he was always in so much stress कि मेरी CA पूरी कब हो पाएगी. As a friend, as a Samaritan, I was always there for him to support him, assist him, guide him, and to motivate and push him further to reach his goal. And one fine day, this wonderful achievement fell into his lap. He became a CA, and it was such a pride moment for him, his family, and I was so happy. But something different happened. The moment he became a CA, rather than being happy, rather than celebrating, he became stressed. He became so much disturbed again, and you'll be surprised to know why. Because the moment he became a CA, he started thinking कि बाकी friends और बाकी लोगों के मुकाबले मुझे ज़्यादा time लग गया है, तो क्या मुझे कोई नौकरी देगा? How will I settle myself in life? What am I going to do? Again, a problem started. Of course, I was there to help him, but the challenge did remain there. So rather than appreciating the fact that after so many years of struggle, he was finally able to achieve his CA degree, he was again in a problem. खैर, जैसे तैसे उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन के बाद, थोड़ी इंटरव्यूज के स्ट्रगल के बाद अच्छी खासी नौकरी भी मिल गई. Started working, everything was good, everything was fine, but he was still not happy. He was still not happy because he decided that he will move out to Canada, as he didn't see much future for himself in this part of the world. Now, moving to Canada beyond a certain age and stage of life gets little challenging. तो भाई साहब को फिर से वही टेंशन कि अब क्या करना है लाइफ में. सीए तो हो गई, नौकरी तो चल रही है, लेकिन अब कनाडा जाना है. जाना है तो पहले उसके लिए आइल्स का एग्जाम देना होगा, इंग्लिश में नंबर लेने होंगे, which was a problem. खैर, जैसे तैसे he was able to clear that, and finally, beyond after a couple of years of struggle, he landed in Canada last year. What a moment, what an achievement. Somebody does his CA, somebody completes his degree in India, grabs some years of experience, and lands in Canada as a permanent resident. But rather than being happy, he was again depressed. He was again depressed because now he had to search for a new job in Canada. And the story goes on, and this guy, even right now, when he's finally well settled in Canada, he's unfortunately still not happy in life. So, my dear friends, what I am trying to convey here is that it is not the ultimate destination or the goal which you reach or which you achieve makes you happy, but the entire pathway through it is what you should feel as a moment of happiness, as a moment of pride, as a moment of progress for you. Because happiness is a myth. However, working towards it, celebrating every moment, being thankful and appreciative of whatever you have done so far, that is what makes you happy. That is the attitude of gratitude which you need to have, not just towards yourself, but towards everyone in life. बट हम तो इंसान हैं, वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स, और हमारी क्या आदत है कि हर चीज में हम कोई ना कोई फायदा ढूंढना चाहते हैं. वी वांट टू फिगर आउट, वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ठीक है, लोगों को शुक्रिया अदा करना है, वी नीड टू बी एप्रिशिएटिव, वी नीड टू बी थैंकफुल टुवर्ड्स एवरीथिंग, वी नीड टू बी हैप्पी अबाउट व्हाटएवर वी हैव डन. बट व्हाई? इससे मुझे क्या मिलेगा? Isn't it? So, let me answer you, what does this attitude of gratitude gives us in return? Number one, it helps you to develop and foster the finest relationships. Relationships not within your family, your personal space, but within your professional life and the outside world. So the more grateful you are, the more thankful you are towards people, जितना आप उनको मन से तारीफ करें, धन्यवाद करें, उनकी की हुई अच्छाइयों को अप्रिशिएट करें, उतना ही वो आपसे जुड़ेंगे और एक हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट बनेगा उस रिलेशनशिप में. And that is definitely going to make you happy, because happiness, as I said, is not something you will find one fine day. Happiness is something you can get anywhere and everywhere. It is only up to you how much you want to grab out of your life. And definitely, when you have a successful relationship, you are happy, you are stress-free. Because the most challenging thing in today's world, especially since 2020, is how to remain stress-free and how to remain happy. So this attitude of gratitude really, really helps you to, it is like a magical wand which you can use and get happiness for yourself anytime. And not just that, we have our amazing doctors out here, Dr. Rita Kalra ji, Dr. Sanjay ji, and many others, who will agree with me on this, that the attitude of gratitude, ये भावना, ये सकारात्मक सोच, ना ही सिर्फ हमें अच्छे relationships और एक खुशी प्रदान करती है, but it also helps to keep our blood pressure in check. It keeps our health and all the vitals at a normal level, which is amazing. और सोचिए, आपको किसी चीज की दवाई ना खानी पड़े, आदि समस्याएं आपकी खुश रहने से ही दूर होने लग जाएं, तो मेरे ख्याल से इससे ज्यादा बढ़िया कोई इलाज नहीं हो सकता. और हाँ, पूरा दिन बीत जाएगा, कुछ घंटों की बात है, रात आएगी और हम लगे रहेंगे फोन पर, सारी रात ढूंढते रहेंगे, फेसबुक पर देखते रहेंगे, व्हाट्सएप चेक करते रहेंगे, लेकिन नींद नहीं आएगी. नींद क्यों नहीं आएगी? क्योंकि शायद आज हम कुछ खास करना भूल गए. और वो क्या है? वो कुछ नहीं, बस एक शुक्रिया अदा भगवान को, खुद को, सबको, रब को. एंड यस, once you have all these advantages to yourself, it will definitely boost your confidence, it will increase your self-esteem, and you can stand out in the world and wonders can happen. मेरा एक सवाल शुचि जी से, प्रेसिडेंट जी से और सभी रोटेरियन से, रोटरी इंटरनेशनल में पीपी का मतलब क्या है? एनीबॉडी?
For convenience sake, it may be past president, but whatever is in your mind, you can make an abbreviation for that.
Of course, but in Rotary world, I guess, and I'm sure you said it right, it means past president, correct? लेकिन पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट बनने के लिए आपको रोटरी ज्वाइन करनी पड़ती है. रोटरी में काम करके एक प्रेसिडेंट की पोजीशन पे यू हैव टू सर्व, एंड वंस यू आर डन विद योर टेन्योर, इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू आर नोन एज पीपी, पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट, राइट? लेकिन सरप्राइजिंगली पूरी दुनिया में शायद हर एक कोई पीपी है जिसने रोटरी ज्वाइन नहीं कर रखी, और वो कौन है? हम सब परेशान प्राणी। नाउ दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन बाय पीपी। हम क्यों हैं परेशान? हम इसलिए हैं परेशान क्योंकि हम हैं इस बात से अनजान कि खुश रहने के लिए, सुखी रहने के लिए, स्वस्थ रहने के लिए करना क्या है। और वो करना ये है that we need to develop this attitude of gratitude. And this reminds me of one more thing which I'll quickly share with you. So I was passing by a street when I was in California, and I saw a beggar on the roadside. He was visually challenged and he had a hat placed in front of him, जिसमें लोग आते जाते कोई सेंट्स या डॉलर्स उसमें, they were just donating. It was the Fisherman's Wharf area and I was spending my entire day out there, and I saw something which was written on the hat. Now what was written on that hat was, I can't see, please help me. बहुतों ने देखा, बहुतों ने कुछ दिया, बहुतों ने इग्नोर किया। मेरे माइंड में कुछ आया, मैंने उसकी हैट ली, उसकी डायरेक्शन बदली और वहां कुछ और लिख दिया और मैं चला गया। सारा दिन फिशरमैन्स वॉफ पर घूमता रहा, खाया पिया, एंजॉय किया, एंड इन द इवनिंग व्हेन आई केम बैक आई सॉ हिज हैट full of donations. There were lots of dollars and cents. It was completely full and he was very happy. Now, in spite of being visually challenged, he could sense that I was the same person standing next to him doing something in the morning, and he asked me, "Sir, are you the same person who came in the morning, stood here for quite some time, and I don't know what, but now my hat seems full with all the alms and donations in one day, which I otherwise not really gather during the entire month. What's that you did?" And I told him, "Sir, I just wrote something exactly similar to what you had written, but in a different manner." And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you what I wrote there. Nothing but I simply wrote, "Today is a wonderful day, but I cannot see it." And I'm sure everyone who read this and everyone who hears this right now will be appreciative of the fact कि जब हम सुबह सोकर उठते हैं, सबसे पहले हम अपना फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर चेक करना शुरू कर देते हैं, लेकिन हम एक चीज भूल जाते हैं, और वो ये कि हम रब का शुक्राना करना भूल जाते हैं कि आज फिर से एक नया दिन, एक नया जीवन दान, एक नया मौका मिला है जब हम कुछ कर सकते हैं अपने लिए और सबके लिए। जाते जाते एक दो और सवाल। Now, Shuchi ji and few other team members are in a restaurant right now, and they must be planning to enjoy a wholesome meal once we are done with the meeting, right? What if there's some problem with the service? हो सकता है आपको खाने में अगर कोई ऐसी चीज आ गई जो आपके टेस्ट के हिसाब से नहीं है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? अच्छा चलिए, तो आप सलील सर को पकड़ लेंगे। सो बेसिकली यू विल कंप्लेन अबाउट इट, राइट? और ऐसा ही कुछ हमारे साथ एयरपोर्ट्स पे होता है। व्हेन द फ्लाइट्स गेट डिलेड, वी टेंड टू गेट सो डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय इट कि हम इमीडिएटली अपना फेसबुक, ट्विटर, व्हाट्सएप खोलते हैं और @इंडिगो, स्पाइसजेट जो भी फ्लाइट हम पकड़ते हैं, वी टेंड टू पोर इन विद सो मेनी कंप्लेंट्स कि बॉस फ्लाइट आज डिले ना हो गई, क्या हो गया, मे बी इट्स अ बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट, राइट? नाउ मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट संजय जी, टेल मी समथिंग। अगर आपको आज बहुत बढ़िया डिनर मिले, तब आप क्या करेंगे? और मे बी यू आर ट्रैवलिंग अ फ्लाइट ऑफ इकोनॉमी क्लास, बट सडनली आप संजय जी
I'll be most thankful and probably ask for once more. Repeat it.
Amazing. So you'll be thankful and you will ask for once more. But I wonder if many of us do this simple thing कि जब भी रेस्टोरेंट खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है and we ask the server कि if you can call upon the chef so we could personally compliment him. Or maybe if we are upgraded in a economy to business class, or forget that we are in an economy class and we are served very good, and immediately after that the air hostess announces कि आप अपना फीडबैक customer.relations@so-and-so.com पर शेयर कीजिए. मुझे नहीं लगता कि 180 सीटर के प्लेन में से उतरने के बाद शायद एक या दो लोग भी मेल करते होंगे. इसके अलावा the idea is to feel grateful and be appreciative when it makes sense to you, and not just be complaining in life when it has hit you hard. So the last thing on the leg today, ये तो समझ लिया कि एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड लाइफ में होना चाहिए. बट आई एम अ स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट, आई हैव बीन अ कंसल्टेंट एंड आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन एक्शन. इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस इफ आई जस्ट टेल यू कि क्या करना है अनलेस आई टेल यू कि करना कैसे. सो हाउ टू से धन्यवाद. पॉइंट नंबर 1, से बी एक्सप्रेसिव. को अपनी तरफ से व्याख्यान कीजिए, लोगों को बताइए, उन्हें इस चीज को जताइए और इस चीज को अप्रिशिएट कीजिए कि उन्होंने आपके लिए क्या किया है. बी अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ, एवरीथिंग यू हैव अचीव्ड, एवरीथिंग गॉड हैज गिफ्टेड यू, एवरीथिंग योर फेलो बीइंग्स हैव डन टू यू. एंड इवन व्हेन यू गेट बैक होम इन द इवनिंग और आपके बच्चे या मे बी आपका डॉग भागा भागा आपके पास आता है, द हैप्पीनेस इट गिव्स टू यू, बी थैंकफुल अबाउट इट. But that's just point number 1. सिर्फ थैंक यू बोल देने से काम नहीं चलेगा. What's more important is to feel it. दिल से बोली हुई चीज हमेशा सामने वाले को छूती है. And as they say, even when you are silent, there is some communication happening. So don't just say it, but feel it. और आखिरी चीज जो मुझे शायद किसी भी रोटेरियन को कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, all of us and all of you are doing it so wonderfully, that is, do it. Not just receive the happiness from people, not just appreciate it from your heart, but also give it back, which all of us Rotarians are doing it so wonderful. And let us congratulate all of us for doing that proud thing in our lives. And this is one last experience I would like to share with you. We were in Goa for the AG's training recently for the session 2021-22. And I was at this Taj Village Resorts with my father, Rotarian Bipin Bogra. Now, I did my MBA last year and my project was on Taj Hotels. So I'm very fascinated by this brand. तो वहाँ पे जो सर्वर हमें सर्व कर रहे थे, drinks and stuff, I don't know how this conversation started with that guy when I appreciated him and thanked him for getting me what I had asked for. Out of nowhere, this waiter, this server, suddenly started talking about Ratan Tata ji. He said, when I asked him कि कोविड के दौरान बिजनेस कैसा रहा, होटल्स तो ठप थे, तो आप सबकी जीविका कैसे चली? How were you able to manage your livelihood? And this guy, this server, this waiter told us कि sir, all praise and gratitude to Ratan Tata ji, who ensured कि हमारी हर महीने की सैलरी पिछले साल 31 को हमारे को क्रेडिट हो जाती थी, and there was no single day when we slept without food for the entire family. Now, this waiter, this server might probably never get a chance in his life to meet Ratan Tata ji, but this is the kind of feeling he carries, that kind of attitude of gratitude this waiter carries in his life, in his mind, that he's sharing with somebody who's again probably not going to convey it to Ratan Tata ji, but teaches a lot of things to you and I, to everyone out here, that this is the power of attitude of gratitude, which we should imbibe in all our lives. Thank you so much. अब आपने मुझे सुना, मुझे वक्त दिया, मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवादी हूँ. तो जाते जाते एक गिफ्ट मेरी तरफ से आप सबके लिए, which is my latest e-book on Door to Destiny, जो आपको मेरी वेबसाइट पर मिल जाएगी sandeepbogra.com. एंड वहाँ कुछ चीजें रिसर्च, कुछ चीजें एक्सपीरियंस एंड some things based on what others believe on a religious principle, on a scientific principle, on a medical principle gather की हैं, And I recommend each one of you and request each one of you to go and claim it. And trust me, it is going to be magical whenever you read through it. Thank you. Over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. We have Dr. Vora who has a question. Vora sir, please ask your question.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, I'm very impressed with your talk.
Thank
And
you.
I traveled to Goa 3-4 years back along with your dad.
Oh, wow.
And we have become good friends. And he talked a lot about you as a CA. And I was very impressed the way he talked about you. But now you have become a life coach also. So as a CA, I want to ask you one question, that what inspired you as a CA to become a life coach also?
Sir, I have been doing this life and relationship coach and a motivational speaker thing for the last 10 years, simultaneously when I was a CA. I've been blessed to travel right from Jammu University to Rajasthan, across all North India, institutes, corporates. I worked with CIPLA as well, so many other organizations. And maybe what I have felt during the COVID times, especially, that ultimately what gives you happiness in life, you should do it. And there is nothing better than converting your passion into your profession and making it your life. Maybe that's what
It is a very good thing, because my brother, Rotarian JS Chopra, is also listening to you. He's also a CA. He was the auditor of our club also for 15 years. And we were all talking amongst us that what has inspired one CA to become a life coach. So that was our interest.
Great, sir. Great.
So congratulations on becoming a life coach also, and sharing your experience as a life coach.
Thank you, sir. And one more thing I would like to add.
You are a Rotarian also now?
Yes, sir. From
in Kalka.
Chandigarh City Beautiful.
Chandigarh City Beautiful, right. That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Any other questions from the house for Sandeep ji?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandeep ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Sandeep ji.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. Please ask your question.
Okay. Sandeep ji, can I invite you to my school for a lecture?
I'll be blessed to do it.
Lecture. It's in Chandigarh only.
No worries, ma'am. Anywhere in the world is fine with me.
Okay, okay. By the way, I belong to Kalka, and your aunt Shashi and myself, we were class fellows for 10 years.
Wow.
I know people so well.
I'm sure.
Okay,
And,
then I'll get back to you and fix up a lecture.
Sure.
Thank
in fact,
you.
On my social media handles, I had this in January, wherein I shared a unique idea on every day for the entire month of January, how to make 2021 special.
Okay.
And right now it's the month of Valentine, and normally people celebrate it from 8th to 14th, but I have my unique ways to express things. So I started from 1st Feb itself to share 14 ways, 14 days on how to express yourself and make your relationships better.
Okay.
So everyone's welcome to find me on all the social media handles. I'll also share the links in the chat box. So welcome you there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. As AG Dr. Rita said in the introduction to you, as you know, Sandeep means light. It is a shining, bright light. You really lived up to that reputation to your name. I'm sure a lot of minds have been ignited today with all the positive talk that and hints you've given. I would now like to invite our International Service Director, Dr. Sanjay Kalra, to kindly give the expression of gratitude.
Sir, I wanted to ask. Okay.
Sanjay sir, can we quickly just let Bhavneet please ask your question?
I have a very interesting question, Mr. Bogra. All these things work on wife also?
Definitely, sir. They work best in case of your personal relationship with your wife.
Okay. I was still wondering because many fundas I feel become constant and nil. बाकी जगह तो चल जाते हैं, पता नहीं इधर थोड़ा सा फिर भी.
कोई बात नहीं, sir. We'll have another session on relationships specifically. And
Okay, thank you. I was saying on the lighter side, ji. I just wanted to lighten everyone up. Sushi ji, how is the bun you are having? Muffin.
It's a freshly baked cake and it's awesome. You have to be here to enjoy it.
Okay, ji. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming now.
Please come.
Okay, thank you. Over to Dr. Kalra, sir.
Okay, so I speak in that.
Yes. Speak in that.
Okay, good evening to you all. We spent a good number of hours together with Sandeep in Goa, and when he introduced him to me, he said he's a life coach, and he has some such kind of degrees. Although he didn't give me the details, but I got to know the details from in the introduction today. But I was thinking, like, he's such a young chap. He's bachcha hi hai abhi to. And how can he be a life coach? He doesn't have that kind of experience. But then it was a mystery for me, and that is when we decided that let's give him a test, and let's invite him to the Rotary meeting and solve this mystery. So I'm proud to say that Sandeep, you have exceeded our expectations in lecturing about about the life, about attitude of gratitude, which is a must in everybody's life, and I'm sure this has enlightened all of us. I really liked your past president definition, Pareshan Prani, which I'm sure everybody will agree. Everybody is Pareshan, and if they start following what you have said, everybody will become everybody is going to become healthy, wealthy, and wise. So thank you again from Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown for being with us and for enlightening all the participants through this hybrid meeting. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot for getting me here. And I will be your bacha always, with all my love.
So you need
Yeah, I would now request Secretary Shuchi to make the announcements and also wishes for the celebrating birthday members and spouses and anniversary couples.
Thank you, President. Sorry, just a second. Let me see. Just 2 minutes, please. Sorry for this. Apologies for this. We have the birthdays of Rotarian Mrs. Devinder K. Singh, Rotarian Mrs. Devinder K. Singh on 6th of February, which is tomorrow. Rotarian past President Trilochana Anand Ji, 7th February. I think I saw Toji sir. Toji sir, are you there? Please unmute yourself so that we can wish you many congratulations, Toji sir. We have the birthday of Rotarian Major General A.S. Kehlon on 9th Feb, which is shared by Rotarian Subhash Chandra Jindal ji. We also have the birthdays of Rotary and Raj Kapoor ji on 10th of February. We have the wedding anniversary of Suman ma'am, Naresh ji today, and we have on 9th of February, the date is shared by the wedding anniversary of Rotarian Harpreet and Rotarian Kulbir Bhatia ji, and Vanita ma'am and Bhushan Gupta ji. On 10th of February, we have the anniversary of Rotarian Sarab ji and Rotarian Bawa sir. Bawa sir, many congratulations. Bawa sir is switched off his video. Baba sir, many
Thank you
many
very much.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
that
you very
brings us to the end of this session, and over to President Sanjay.
Yeah, I think was having some internet issues, so I would quickly adjourn this meeting with a thanks to all the members, our guest speaker, and all of you who have been present today and took great interest in the proceedings. The meeting is hereby adjourned, and we look forward to seeing all of you next Friday once again.